In a previous video called Starting a Food Pantry for Beginners, one of the key items on the shopping list was wheat berries. Because it stores well, up to 30 years, and there are many uses for it, in this video I show you one of those uses. Hi everyone, and welcome to the Burnt Brass Homestead channel. Wheat berries are a versatile food to have in your food pantry. Wheat berries are packed with vitamins, minerals, and fiber. There are a variety of wheat berries: hard or soft, summer or winter, red or white. The wheat berries that I am using today to make a hot breakfast cereal are soft winter wheat berries. The first thing I do is rinse my wheat berries. As you can see, the water isn't as clear as it was initially, and that's why I rinsed the wheat berry. It can also help bring to the surface eggs or small bugs that's contained in wheat berries, and this isn't an issue that's just isolated to wheat berries. You can find the same thing in rice or any grain. The next step is to bring a pot of water to boil. Once the water reaches boiling, I add the wheat berries to the water. In regards to how much water to add to the pot, I don't measure. Just add enough water that it fully covers the wheat berries by at least a half or a full inch. Stir occasionally so that it doesn't stick to the bottom of the pot. Next, you want to reduce the heat and allow the wheat berries to simmer 25 to 30 minutes. Now, this time depends on the variety of wheat berries you are preparing, as well as your preference in the texture. Once the wheat berries are done, remove them from the stove and then drain in a colander. Now, in my case, there wasn't much water to drain off. Now that the wheat berries are drained, it is time to top them with your favorite toppings, much the same as oatmeal or cream of wheat. Speaking of cream of wheat, or farina, as some might call it, you can mill these wheat berries to a finer consistency to make farina. Perhaps I will do another video in the future showing that. But getting back to what we're doing here, place your favorite toppings on the wheat berries. That can include your favorite jam with milk and honey, maybe peaches, heavy cream and honey, or apples, cinnamon, honey, and raisins. Or maybe go the simple route with just honey and butter. But this is the time to be creative. Freeze any extra wheat berries you have left over for a quicker hot breakfast cereal later in the week or month. Wheat berries in this form can also be used in salads or to make wheat bowls similar to rice bowls. Now, you typically won't find wheat berries at your local grocer, but you can buy them online, even from Amazon or Walmart. But also, if you live near an Amish community, you may also go to their local markets and get wheat berries. Note that all wheat berries are not from like 1,000 years ago. Wheat berries have been altered through breeding. So basically, it isn't the same wheat that the ancient people ate. This may be why so many people have difficulty digesting wheat. If you do have problems digesting wheat, try specific varieties such as einkorn, kamut, immer, spelt, or farro. You can also try sprouting or fermenting your wheat berries. Finally, for those of you who are not used to eating wheat berries, try a little at a time to allow your body to adjust to them. I hope that you enjoyed this video and found it useful. If so, it really does help if you like and share this video to help the channel to grow.